Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Telegram on Windows 10. So it's very easy. At first, we will download it. Let's go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Now here in type Telegram, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible for Telegram Messenger, which is telegram.org. Let's click on it to download. Now the official website is visible. Go below, you can see all these versions for Android, for iPhone, and the following is for PC. Let's click on it. Herein you can see Telegram desktop is visible for Windows and other platforms as well. That means for Mac and Linux also. We want for Windows because we are installing on Windows 10. Let's click on it to download. It's only 24 MB. You can see on the left bottom. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see we have successfully downloaded it. Let's double click to install. Minimize this. So guys, here it is. You need to select the setup language. These are the options available. I'll go for English. You can select any language from the option. Click on OK. Now you can see guys, herein the Telegram desktop will install in the following location. If you want to change the location, click on browse and select the location. I'll keep the same. So I'll click on cancel. It will only take 70 MB of space. So click on next. Yes, it will create a start menu folder. It's fine. It will also create a desktop shortcut. Now let's click on next and install it. Ready to install, click on install. It is installing right now. So guys, you can see we have successfully installed it. You can straight away click on finish and it will launch it because it has been by default checked. I'll uncheck and click on finish. So guys, shortcut also created on its own. Let's double click on it. So guys, here you can see we have successfully downloaded and installed Telegram desktop on PC, that is Windows 10. Now begin here by clicking on start messaging. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.